So I have something a little exciting to share with you today, I think. I don't really know what it is. But from the door today, I got a parcel from none other than Mr. Mark Ruffalo himself. And I thought I would open it on live for you guys. I don't know what it is. I'm quite excited. It's quite thin. So this is like an unboxing video on YouTube. Today I'll be unboxing a gift from Mark Ruffalo. Let's see what it is. Okay. Whoa. Yo. That's dope. So I guess this is the new Avengers Infinity War May 4th. That is so cool. Let's see what else he put in here. Hi Tom, I'm so excited to be working with you on Infinity War. I thought you'd like to be the first to see the poster for the movie. Enjoy, Mark Ruffalo.